Hi everyone, welcome to Shrudi's Pharma World. Today we are going to discuss about sieve shaker. Here you can see our sieve shaker. The principal construction, working, advantages and disadvantages of sieve shaker. That is our today's topic. Here you can see a number of sieves arranged like a nest, and this sieve set is assembled on a mechanical shaker. Here we are using a number of sieves. This sieves selected based on the IP and USB specifications, and that sieves are arranged in a nest, and that is assembled on a mechanical shaking apparatus. Here different types of agitations or different type of motion that influence the size separation. The motions like vibratory motion, side tap motion, bottom pat motion, and rotary motion. These are the important types of motion that influence sieving. So this is the principle involved in sieve shaker. Based on the particle size, under the influence of different types of motion, size separation will be occur. So you should study this point. This is the principle that is involved in sieve shaker. Here you can see our beautiful sieve shaking apparatus. It consists of standard sieves of different mesh numbers, and these sieves are selected based on the IP and USB specifications. Okay, and the shaking screens are arranged on a metallic frame like a nest, and then it is assembled on a mechanical shaking apparatus. Here you can see a vibration motor. With the help of this vibration motor, different types of motion will be created in the sieve set. So these are the points you should study in the construction part. Move on to the working of sieve shaker. First of all, you should arrange the sieves as per the standard operating procedure. The largest aperture will be placed on the top and the smallest aperture will be at the bottom. And this sieve nest consists of 6 to 8 sieves. The powder sample to be size reduced is placed on the topmost sieve. You can take 50-gram sample or more. Then that sample should be placed on the topmost sieve. Then close the sieve set and fix it on a mechanical shaker apparatus. After closing the sieve set and assembled it on a mechanical shaker, then you switch on the mechanical shaking apparatus. Then it starts shaking the sieve set for a stipulated time. This sieve shaker start to shake the sieves for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you can switch off the shaker and then disassemble all the sieves from the shaker and collect the sample which is retained on each sieve. Then weigh the sample that is retained on each sieve. So this is the working procedure that is involved in sieve shaker. Go on to the important advantages and disadvantages of sieve shaker. This equipment requires less power for working, and it is inexpensive, and it is very easy to use. These are the important advantages of sieve shaker. Disadvantages: during the working of sieve shaker, size reduction may occur because attrition may occur, and that results size reduction of the particles. That is one of the disadvantages of sieve shaker. And the other one is clogging. The sieves may get clogged if the sample is not dry. So these are the two disadvantages of sieve shaker. In this presentation, we have covered the principal, construction, working, advantages and disadvantages of sieve shaker. Hope you all understand. If you like this kind of videos, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button too. Thank you.